Let S denote the set of all functions from f0, 1, that is S is set of all functions f from 0, 1 power 4 to 0, 1. See, power 4 means 0, 1 is taken 4 times. 0, 1, 0, 1, again 0, 1, and the fourth 0, 1. It is taken 4 times means there are 16 elements. Means suppose f is a function from set A to B. Set A will have 16 elements and set B has clearly 2 elements. So if you apply the formula, that is total number of functions from set A to set B, that is n की power m. If it is m, it is n, then it will be equal to 2 to the power 16, that is S. Cardinality, or you can say modulus of set S, will be 2 to the power 16. Now it is given that denote n the number of functions from set S to the set 0, 1. Here clearly it is saying that n is number of functions from set S to the set 0, 1. Since the set S has 1, 2, 3 to 2 की power 16 number of elements, and this set has only 2 elements, that is 0, 1. Every element will have 2 choices. First element, second element will have 2 choices. Third element will have 2 choices to form a function. So for first element 1, 2. For second element 2 choices. For third element again 2 choices. For fourth element again 2 choices. And for the last element, that is 2 की power 16th element, again there are 2 choices. So total number of functions will be 2 raised to the power 2 की power 16. Or you can use, if this is cardinality of this set is m and cardinality of this set is n, then n की power m. n is 2, m is 2 की power 16, because for n function from set S to n, value of S is 2 की power 16. So this is the value. But in question it is asking you to calculate log base 2 log n to the base 2, where n is equal to 2 to the power 16. So 2 to the power 16 will come here, log base 2 2 to the power 16 log base 2 to the power base 2. This will become 1 because both are equal. So log 2 base 2 power 16. Now this 16 will come here, 16 log base 2 2 to the base 2. Now this will also become 1 because both are equal. Our net answer will be 16.